This story is for the image titled Lady Bird Johnson Sunset, photographed in the Redwood National Park in California. It's in the Wilderness Collections book, Volume 1, Plate 5. If you'd like to see this image digitally mastered, there is a link. Just click it. The digital books, they came out phenomenal. Anyway, on with the story. Redwoods. The name alone conjures romance. The sun seems dwarfed by these giants. The Lady Bird Johnson Grove in the Redwood National Park is one of my favorite locations, and this sunset might suggest why that's so. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you on the trail. For those of you who like the technical details, this was photographed on a Toyo 45A2 field camera using a 210 millimeter lens at an aperture of f/16, and I did not record the exposure, but it was, I did use professional Fuji Velvia film when I did it. If you'd like to learn more about this image, please visit my website, rodneyloughjr.com. There's a backstory, and it's a simple but sweet little backstory. I think you might enjoy it. So there's a link. There's a link for that too. Just scoot on over there. Have a listen to that one. Why not? Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.